Are you tired of Big Boss questions?
Yes.
I am not tired.
You're not tired. Yeah.
Yes, I am. पिंजरे से जैसे पंछी निकलता है ना बाहर, वैसी फीलिंग है ये.
I love the word go. I mean, it's just.
Tell me a KK Menon song जिसमें उन्होंने red and white striped shirt पहनकर डांस किया है.
सज्जना मैं वारी वारी जाऊं जी, तू ही तो मेरा संसार है.
हाय परी हूँ मैं एंड यू वाचिंग अस ऑन रेडियो नशा. आप ये इंटरव्यू प्रॉब्ली बाद में देखोगे, लेकिन जिस दिन ये शूट हुआ है, let me tell you, this is the last interview for the cast and they are brain fried. Their brain is not braining anymore. So can I avoid intellectual questions?
Oh yes, that would be lovely.
बट डोंट वरी, जब परी सामने आ जाती है ना, आदमी फ्रेश हो जाता है.
How sweet. Okay,
Well
so
done, Ranveer.
yeah,
Charm is on.
Charm is on. So I'm going to avoid like very brain fried intellectual questions. Let's just have fun. So let's start with how KK sir is not aging, but aging in reverse.
He just told us he wasn't born in 1991.
They think I'm lying. See,
No, what is
I didn't doubt it for a second, sir.
what is the raz of this sundarta, sir? This growing sundarta.
एक तो राज ये है ना, जब पाप का प्रायश्चित करता हूँ ऐसे.
So what do you eat? What do you watch that keeps you like young?
I don't know. Well, I should, yeah, it's a compliment. So,
He's very uncomfortable with that.
He's very uncomfortable.
कुछ नहीं.
मशरूम्स बोल दो, महंगी वाली. मोदी जी को भी बोला था उन्होंने.
Shiitake.
सिंपल है कि जब भूख लगती है मैं खाता हूँ,
अच्छा.
नहीं लगती तो नहीं खाता हूँ. और थोड़ा बहुत खेल लेता हूँ. कोई स्पोर्ट हो तो खेल लेता हूँ.
हाँ.
बाकी जितना हो सके अनक्लटर्ड माइंड रखने की कोशिश करता हूँ. बस हो गया.
Simple. Okay, tell me a question that has been asked you so many times कि you are like यार अभी मतलब नहीं हो पाएगा और हाँ मतलब
बताइए
Whom do you want to be a
आप
detective?
में आप में से
आप में से किसको?
आप में से क्या आप में डिटेक्टिव, क्या आप में एक डिटेक्टिव है?
Are you a good detective?
are you a good
ये
detective?
क्वेश्चन ने पका दिया आज.
Okay. Are you tired of Big Boss questions?
Yes.
I am not tired.
You're not tired. Yeah.
Yes, I am.
You are tired. But how free are you feeling? Is what I want to know.
Very
free.
हाँ, मतलब जब पिंजरे से जैसे पंछी निकलता है ना बाहर, वैसी फीलिंग है ये.
Okay, so you know when I watched the trailer, I was very happy because you've explored parts of West Bengal and Kolkata, and मैं कोलकाता से हूँ. तो मुझे देख के मजा आ गया. मुझे बताओ क्या एक्सप्लोर किया कोलकाता में, and what did you just feel about the city and about the state?
They actually shot in Bolpur.
हाँ, भोलपुर,
अच्छा.
हल्दिया,
शांति
शांति निकेतन, बहुत सारी जगह.
Kolkata we were
Mahisha
hardly for
Dal.
few days.
Okay.
Rest of
Only
the
with the Howrah thing we were there. I mean, with the
interiors
shot on the
of
Howrah bridge
West
also.
Bengal.
Right. So did you find something unusual about the pace of West Bengal?
Yeah.
I've grown up very close to Bengal. I've grown up in Jharkhand, so I'm quite used to this.
अच्छा.
There's a huge Bengali community in Jamshedpur, and the pace
Correct.
of life is different. And
It's completely opposite to the Bombay pace.
Completely.
So it's like
But when you go to Bholpur,
it's like a time travel. You know, you have entered like
Yeah.
a different,
Yeah.
a different
Time
era.
doesn't move
or-
only.
Yeah, different
That's
era
why they
only.
shot it there, I think, also because it helps this series is a period piece. It's set in the 1990s. So I think that was one of the reasons we went into the interiors of West Bengal because it's easily manageable, the period part.
Yeah, you guys know, right? कि वहाँ पर आज भी दोपहर में
Yeah, I know.
दुकानें बंद हो जाती
Correct, correct.
Nobody works in the afternoon.
Dude, that's the best thing about. I mean, I didn't shoot there with them, but I went to Shantiniketan otherwise to travel last year. But I think I love that about Bengalis.
But ये तो
Because
गोवा में भी
खाने के बाद नैप जो होती है उसका स्वाद is incomparable.
करेक्ट. बट ये गोवा में भी होता है, स्पेन में भी होता है, साउथ अमेरिकन कंट्रीज में भी होता है. सो इट्स अ वेरी इवॉल्व्ड थिंग.
सिर्फ बम्बई में नहीं होता है.
सिर्फ बम्बई में नहीं होता. यहाँ तो हम काम करते करते खाना खाते हैं.
Correct.
है ना? अच्छा, did you pick any fun Bengali words? Like Rasika says in the trailer, moja hobe.
मजा হবে
Moja
Kondo
hobe.
kata.
Kwandakata is one word we picked.
Kondo kata.
I still don't know how to pronounce it properly.
Kwandakata.
Kwandakata.
Kondo kata.
Headless head cut.
Head cut.
Right.
Skondo kata. Yeah, a very important word. I was only saying skondo kata.
Kondo kata.
Skondo kata.
I love the word book. I mean, it's just, you know, there is a.
Talia for the most nonchalant book I've heard in my life. Gio bhai. Trophy ले गया.
Premium price.
Trophy आपकी.
Gio.
Yeah,
Thank
the
you,
cup
thank you,
belongs
thank
to you.
Yes, it does.
Oh my god, it's the best word ever.
I love it.
It's in emotion. वो सिर्फ word नहीं
Yeah,
है.
exactly. And like, सुनने में भी बुरा नहीं लगता यार. It doesn't even sound like whatever it's supposed to sound like. But yeah, it's just.
Okay, so you know there's a word called lad, right?
Lad.
Yeah. Lad means
Lad.
laziness.
It sounds like that. Lad.
So the vibe of West Bengal is lad.
Yeah.
Like
Lad back. It's like lad back.
Lad back.
So the Lad is the Sushegat of Goa.
Nice, I'm loving it. Okay, this is set in the 90s. Tell me how it's set in the 90s,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
Tell me how was 90s for you? What is your मतलब आपकी 90s को लेकर कोर मेमोरी क्या है?
तो 90s की मेरी कोर मेमोरी है ऑफ जस्ट स्टार्टिंग ऑफ वर्किंग, स्टार्टिंग माय करियर, या उससे पहले कुछ और ऑड जॉब्स भी मैंने की थी बिफोर आई स्टार्टेड वर्किंग फॉर टेलीविजन. और सबसे जो आजकल मुझे जो स्ट्राइकिंग मेमोरी जो लगती है कि जो आज हम लोग इंजॉय कर रहे हैं, जो इंटरनेट की दुनिया, स्ट्रीमिंग, इस सब का बीज वहाँ पड़ा हुआ था. तब हम वर्ड्स ये सुनते थे, कॉर्पोरेटाइजेशन ऑफ मीडिया, डेमोक्रेटाइजेशन ऑफ मीडिया, कन्वर्जेंस, हर कोई फिल्म मेकर होगा, हर कोई एक्टर होगा, हर कोई जर्नलिस्ट होगा, हर कोई फोटोग्राफर होगा. ये सब चीज़ें आज रियलिटी हैं. तो मेरे लिए ये सबसे स्ट्राइकिंग मेमोरी.
So I think Chandrakanta, Chitrahar on Wednesdays,
हाँ.
Friday को movies. So जो ये जो आपके
9 o'clock serial.
या जो आपके ये you know these एक घंटे का या you know things were you got to watch TV so rarely, you know, you would really रंगोली आती थी. Imagine Sunday को सुबह 7 बजे उठ के रंगोली देखना, you know, like I remember the charm of it, you know. अब तो उठा लो मुझे 11 बजे भी Sunday को. But lad, exactly, I'm very lad back. But yeah, I really I think those were very very sweet times and उसका जो चीज़ आपको कम दिखती है ना, फिर उसका you start cherishing it even more, you know, you start romanticizing it even more. So I think it's quite romanticized in my head.
I think for me, it was also watching TV with my family on Sundays and waiting for that 9 o'clock serial. And VCR, my God, it was such a thing.
Oh, yeah.
And you would get a film in a tape and watch it, and then you had to, the print was bad, and then you take it out, and then you do some tracking and spray.
Have you
Yeah,
done that
true, exactly,
thing
yeah.
that- उस पे cassette पे with the pencil?
हाँ, वो सब किया हुआ है. I think I watched, I think I only giss out that मैंने प्यार किया का tape. Because I watched it some 23 times. so yeah, just
Yeah, but
watching
even
the same
audio
thing.
cassettes, yeah, even audio cassettes.
पेंसिल तो ऑडियो कैसेट का ही होगा ना, वीसीआर में ऑडियो नहीं, उसमें उंगली डालनी
मतलब
पड़ती है.
मैं उससे अलग से एक बात कर रही हूँ.
Yes.
I can speak general in the sense that things were Indian then and foreign.
हाँ,
You know?
Indian and foreign.
हाँ, it's always foreign से है. Foreign से
Yeah,
foreign से हुआ है. So it was always that imported. हाँ.
Yeah, in Jamshedpur we had a shop called
Yeah.
the imported shop.
So that goes with everything in life.
Yeah.
अगर आपने बोल दिया ये imported है, foreign है, तो उसका value बढ़ गया. So that was it. Though I was not born then, but my father used to tell me this.
Yeah, he
that,
was
you
not
know,
born in
yeah,
91. He's
so
just old.
yeah, so he
He was
father used
not.
to tell me that. That
Okay, what is the core film memory that you have of the 90s? Like कोई ऐसी film 90s में देखी जो मतलब इतनी
रूप
बार
की रानी
देखी?
चोरों का राजा.
ओहो.
Yeah.
मैंने प्यार किया was 89, right? I think so.
हाँ.
I think I was very intrigued by the idea. I had read कि खुदा गवाह में श्रीदेवी and अमिताभ बच्चन को same पैसे मिले थे. So I was very thrilled about that film and that idea, and that thought remained.
तभी
in my
इसने
head.
मन बना लिया था.
Pay parity.
तभी इसने मन बना लिया था कि मैं अमिताभ बच्चन जितने पैसे लूंगी.
Okay. Do you have any memory of any film?
फिल्म क्या था मेरा, हाँ नहीं उस वक्त जो फिल्में हो रही थी ना, तो मैं तय कर लिया था कि भैया ये जगह मेरे नहीं है, बिकॉज मैं कर नहीं पाऊंगा ये सब. देन आई थिंक सत्या रिलीज्ड, है ना, 90s.
Yeah, Satya was
Yeah.
90s.
हाँ.
Yeah.
तो वहाँ पे ऐसा लगा कि अच्छा नाउ एटलीस्ट देयर सम स्कोप जो
Satya was
प्रोफेशन
90s.
या सो हालांकि नॉट अर्ली 90s,
Late.
या सो वो है. बाकी फिल्मों का मुझे याद नहीं अभी, डोंट रिमेम्बर.
Okay.
इतना मुझे याद है कि मैंने कहा भाई ये मेरे से होगा नहीं.
ये मेरे से होगा नहीं. You mean the dancing and the singing?
No,
and all
that kind of stuff I can't do. They do it very well, but I can't. So
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. You have any film?
मेरे लिए 80s 90s की is predominantly VCR. तब वर्ल्ड सिनेमा देखना शुरू हो गया था, बाहर की सीरीज आनी शुरू हो गई थी, जो फॉरेन सीरीज और फिल्म्स,
Foreign.
not like
Yeah, got
not
it.
to be confused with imported.
हाँ.
फॉरेन सिनेमा, वर्ल्ड सिनेमा सीरीज, ये सब एक्सेस मिलना तब पूरा हो गया था, मतलब 80s 90s में.
Right. Okay, one more highlight for us was obviously the cast, right? कि मतलब wow, what a cast. But मुझे आपसे ये जानना है कि have you said yes to anything by looking at the cast? मतलब maybe the script hasn't impressed you so much, लेकिन आपने देखा यार इसमें ये लोग हैं तो कर लेते हैं. Has cast been like the tempting factor? कभी भी कुछ भी आपने जिसमें किया हो?
फर्क तो पड़ता है भाई.
हाँ.
I
I'm
think
sure it
every
has been
project.
some.
इसमें भी
sure.
मैंने आई डोंट नो इफ आई टोल्ड, मुझे कंफ्यूज हूँ, मैं आपको बता चुका हूँ कि
मैंने
नहीं,
नहीं बताया आपने मुझे.
बट मैं सबको बता चुका हूँ. फॉर दिस आल्सो फॉर मी, यू नो दैट व्हेन आई वाज टोल्ड दैट इट्स अ इंडियन डिटेक्टिव सीरीज set in Bengal which Srijit is setting up and KK is playing the lead, for me it was a clincher right there, because इतना perfect casting मेरे हिसाब से possible नहीं था. And so yeah, it makes a difference.
प्लेयर्स जब दमदार प्लेयर्स होते हैं ना, तो अक्सर थोड़ा सा ढीला मैच भी हम लोग जीत पाते हैं ना. सो इवन द स्क्रिप्ट हैज गॉट अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स, यू नो दैट द प्लेयर्स आर सो गुड that we will manage something very good. So that's the confidence that one has when hears names, you know.
Yeah.
So yeah. So,
Okay, so let's wrap it up. Okay,
Thank you.
and let's I know, but let's wrap it up with a fun game, because ये मैं एक radio station से हूँ and I host the evening show on Radio Nasha. Radio is nothing without music. Radio is nothing without songs, right? So this is a segment which is called Tell Me a Song. मैं आपको कुछ ऐसे hints देने वाली हूँ और आपको मुझे गाने का नाम बताना है. This is all 90s and early 2000s and all of that.
Chalo,
Okay.
I hope I can.
Okay. All right. Tell me a song जिसमें there is Shahrukh, Kajol and horses.
जाती हूँ मैं, जल्दी है क्या?
Karan
क्या
Arjun.
बात है?
Karan Arjun.
Yes,
She's
that's
wearing a
right.
blue dress with a yellow sash.
Yes.
हाँ.
Okay. Tell me a KK Menon song. ये आप नहीं आंसर कर सकते.
Bavaraman.
No. Tell me a KK Menon song जिसमें उन्होंने रेड एंड व्हाइट स्ट्राइप्ड शर्ट पहनकर डांस किया है.
सजना मैं बारी बारी जाऊं जी, न तू ही तो मेरा संसार है.
ऐसा
Oh
मेरा
my God.
प्यार
वो
है.
क्या था? What did you eat before doing that?
no, actually क्या है, that
उसमें
was
क्या एक्टिंग की है इन्होंने, ईट के करके डांस की पसीने वाली.
Oh my, but that dance you went all मतलब क्या पागलपन था
actually
उसमें?
क्या उसमें ना, that was not to show off my dancing skills.
हाँ.
It was a part of the act.
कैरेक्टर यार.
So the act was that this guy who's a nerdy guy, his whatever he was drinking, soft drink gets spiked by something,
Yeah.
ecstasy. And वहाँ जो पीछे कैमरा के पीछे थे, वो सब इसमें धुरंधर लोग हैं ना, जितने भी ecstasy. I had no idea, so I asked, क्या होता क्या है इसमें? So they told me various things that happen, you know. You start loving the world and you do the. So ठीक है, okay, got the clue. And then I went for it. That's all. So it was nothing to do with.
उसकी कैस.
Yeah.
Song was
So
also
I
great and you
remember
also great.
yacht पे
Yeah,
हम
song
लोग
was
पहले गए थे. फरा बैठी थी. She had come for the courier of it. So I went to Farah and said, Farah, मेरे से ना 1, 2, 3 मत करवाना. तो बोलते हैं कि I remember you sent me a message after my first film. Okay, concession for you. You do what you want. तो वो वैसे शुरू हुआ. And in between when we were taking the takes, I remember, ऊपर suddenly she's loud on the mic, no? Stopped and said, के तूने सचमुच कुछ लिया क्या? कुछ लिया है क्या? तो सच बोल. मैंने कहा कुछ नहीं लिया भाई मैं.
के तूने सच में कुछ लिया है
क्या?
That was amazing. I love that song. I love that song. Okay, next. Tell me a song जिसमें Bobby Deol has walked for 1 minute 20 seconds. There is just him walking in the song.
Walking.
Only walking. While Preeti Zinta is dancing.
बहुत चली होगी ना फिल्म में।
Soldier, मीठी बातें बोलकर।
That's right.
Correct.
Okay, next. Tell me a 90s का गाना that was shot in slow motion.
पहला नशा।
पहला
Yes.
नशा। Yeah.
Yeah.
That's right. Okay, tell me a song, any song, that was picturized on a train.
चाहिए
छैया
छैया,
छैया
छैया,
छैया छैया चल
छैया।
छैया छैया।
छैया, छैया।
ये
And
फिल्म
you
से-
होगा तुमसे प्यारा कौन हमको तो है
Yes.
तुमसे।
Yes. Okay,
90s
next.
का था 90s।
नहीं 90s नहीं but any
Any,
song she
any.
said. Oh,
Tell
my
me
God.
your favorite Kishore Kumar song.
ओह यार, how can you say
दिल
one
भर
यार?
मेरे
इतने
कब तक
सारे किशोर
मुझे
कुमार के।
एक जोक से
ऐसे
बोला है
ही
दिमाग।
तड़पाओगे।
बहुत सारा मतलब बहुत मुश्किल होगा।
Favorite?
अन्याय होगा। फेवरेट
हाँ,
नहीं
ये
है,
तो
वही मैं कह
अन्याय
रहा हूँ,
होगा।
फेवरेट
एक गाना
नहीं
नहीं
है।
चूज कर सकते किशोर का।
बहुत
He's
सारा है।
still thinking. You still
Yeah, I'm
thinking?
just trying to come to one song, but
अच्छा.
I think चलते चलते चलते.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, Rasika, are you still thinking or you don't?
I'm still thinking.
She's
She's
thinking.
given
No favorites. Okay.
Right now blank.
बहुत सारे।
Your favorite rain song.
रिमझिम गिरे सावन।
Rimjim Giri Savan.
Wow.
Yes.
200
No,
Rasika.
Oh, I like that one also.
काटे नहीं कटते.
Sridevi again.
I love
Sridevi.
that चमेली वाला. भागे रे मन गे.
Yes.
And but the best rain dance sequence, आज जरा पट जाए।
आज
रपट
रपट जाए.
आज रपट जाए तो।
Okay. Two more. Tell me an early 2000s song जिसके end में अमिताभ बच्चन जया बच्चन को मनाने के लिए एक 90s का गाना गाते हैं.
ये जरूर करण जौहर की पिक्चर होगी। क्या कभी खुशी कभी गम?
Yeah.
I thought as much.
Song?
गाने का नाम नहीं याद मेरे को।
No idea.
No. No. The party song, the celebration song, उनका birthday celebration song.
It's from one of his films only.
It was
कभी
Shava
खुशी
Shava.
कभी गम। हाँ।
It was Shava Shava. At the end he sings ए क्या बोलती तू.
अच्छा।
अच्छा.
Okay, and last, okay, again ये आप आंसर नहीं कर सकते. Tell me a KK Menon song जिसमें वो शॉल ओढ़ के गिटार बजाते हैं और माइक पे गाते हैं.
Oh yes, this is from मेरी बीवी और that one. It's called कुंजा कोई.
अरे good यार.
Wow, क्या बात है, amazing. I love that song.
And I love that film also.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Yeah, it's a beautiful
It's
song.
Mohe Jahan. Okay, quickly that's coming to your mind उस गाने से related.
कुछ नहीं, इतना याद है कि उस समय फिल्मों पे मतलब वी टू शूट ऑन फिल्म एंड नाइट का जो फिल्म का स्टॉक होता है ना वो अलग होता है, 500 टी होता है। तो वी शॉट ऑलमोस्ट द एंटायर इट्स नाइट सीक्वेंस। मैं गा रहा हूँ और रितु बैठी हुई है, राजपाल बैठा हुआ है, तो वो करते करते पूरा सीन शूट किया, वो गाना वाना हो गया एंड आई वाज गोइंग बैक लखनऊ। शूट आई थिंक अराउंड 3 बजे तक शूट किया मैं and I was going back home to the hotel and I got a call saying come back. मैं क्या हुआ?
कुछ छूट गया।
नहीं, वो 500 के बदले में डे वाला डाल दिया।
Oh damn.
We had to reshoot the damn thing.
Oh no.
See, there is a story behind it.
Yeah.
So you shot
It's a beautiful
one
song. Mohit song, huh? Yeah, most of it. Some of it was correct.
Oh, Mohit
But they
Chauhan.
changed the can.
Mohit Chauhan,
Mohit
yeah.
Chauhan.
Thank you so much.
Thank
This
you,
was
Pari.
nothing about detective or lies. I think
you.
I think we
Thank
just spoke about the 90s and songs and had fun.
Yeah.
But I wish you all the very, very best.
Thank you.
Shekhar home on the 14th,
On the 14th of August, please, is Independence Day, manaiye Independence Day with your homegrown Indian detective series that is Shekhar, only on Jio Cinema Premium.
Radio Nasha.